Hey, good morning, everybody. How you doing? Happy Monday to you. It is morning here in these United States, in Jacksonville, Florida. This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marker, and want to say good morning. Now, this video, I'm going to keep it as short as I can, but I want to talk to you about next month. And if you've been watching my videos, I have mentioned it before, but I want to mention it again. Live the Dream in Austin, Texas, with the guys over at My Lead System Pro. Uh, you got to be there. You got to be there. If you are an entrepreneur and you want to grow your business and you want to grow it to a place where you can really live the dream as an entrepreneur, you got to be at this event. I think this will be my fifth or sixth time going to this event since MLSP started, and this is the place for entrepreneurs to go to. I'm going to go over just a little bit of who's going to be there real quickly. Um, and as it says, Live the Dream is going to be August 10th through the 12th in Austin, Texas, in hot Austin, Texas. But Live the Dream just basically says that the community that's created more leaders than any other movement in the home business profession unites for one weekend to help you grow your digital income and finally build your dream business in 2018. So if you've never been, I highly suggest that you go because you will come back as a different person and your business will reflect that. So as we go through here, there's a little bit of a video that you can watch there. There's a button there for you to get tickets. There's two ways that you can go to Live the Dream. You can go as a general admission, where you get access to all the general sessions, the speakers, you have regular mintage, you have get a little gift bag, or you can go as a VIP. My suggestion, go as a VIP. If at all possible for you to go as a VIP. It really does. Your experience will be on another level because what will happen is that you get a pre-event mastermind before the event started. This year, because it's their 10-year anniversary, MLSP is doing a black tie gala. Oh man, it's gonna be tuxedoed out or dressed up. There's gonna be a Saturday VIP party and it's early admittance. And the thing about this is that after the speakers come up at these after party events, you have a chance to kind of mingle with all the speakers. This is where who's who in the home business industry are going to be at after the your general session. So if you can go, that's $7.99 to get to the event, definitely take advantage of it. But again, if at all, if you're only able to get to $249, still go because you're going to get a lot of great information. You're still going to be able to mingle with other people, but maybe not so much in an after party situation. But this is still worth value if you really want to just kind of go and learn the information to help you grow your business in 2018. Because you only got what six months left. Also, again, I talked about the gala. I showed you that. Tells you what time for the Black Tie Gala is going to be August 10th, that Friday, from 6 p.m. to 10:30. Pretty cool. I mean, MLSP has some great parties. I have to say this is my fifth one, and they have some great parties. Really great parties. Great food, great people, great conversations. Just kind of go over some things that you'll be able to see. You can kind of look at this on your own. You'll see some great stories, some testimonials of folks that have been there at Live the Dream. But I won't go into this letter from Brian, but just see some more testimonials of people that have been there to live the dream. This is what it looks like. Friday, August 10th, you got the pre-event mastermind from 2 to 4. You got the VIP only Black Tie Gala from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Saturday, August 10th is the all-day session, VIP party. And then Sunday is an all-day session. And then Monday, you head home. So here's the people that are going to be presenting. Of course, the powerhouses. One of the most nicest people you'll ever meet. One of the most down-to-earth entrepreneurs you meet. My good friend. I want to say good friend because I've been to enough of Live the Dream that I got to know him on a personal level. So Brian Finale will be there. Awesome speaker. If you've never heard him speak, your business will be very blessed to hear his guy speak. Next up is my good friend Norbert Orwitz. He's also the co-founder, one of the other co-founders of My Listing Pro, as well as Brian. And he's going to be presenting. Just an amazing speaker, an amazing entrepreneur, has a great story, and also a great down-to-earth person. So if you can meet him in person, oh my goodness, just one nugget of wisdom will really help you in your business. Next up, we have the legendary speakers, Pat Flynn. Pat Flynn is a awesome entrepreneur. I mean, this guy has done so much. Just the fact that he's going to be here, amazing. So Google Pat Flynn, you'll find out who he is. Hal Elrod. If you've heard of the Miracle Morning, this is the guy that created the Miracle Morning brand. He's actually on a mission, like it says here, to elevate the conscience of humanity one morning at a time. So definitely a reason to be there. Next, we have Darrell Eves. Darrell Eves. He's actually a YouTube expert. This guy knows YouTube in and out. He was at the event last year, and I tell you, blown away by his YouTube training. So definitely somebody that you want to learn from. He's actually generated over 33 billion views for some of his clients and on some projects. So this guy knows his stuff. Wow. I mean, all you say is wow. So definitely you want to be there for that. Come on now. If you've been around the home business industry, Ray Higdon, I don't know what to tell you. I mean, if he was just the only speaker alone, it'd probably be worth the price for admission. But he's done a lot for the home business industry. Truly admire Ray Higdon, and man, your business will be the same just by this guy alone. So yeah, you need to be in the place. Diane Hockman, if you've been in the home business industry, you know who she is for a while. Pete Vargas, I'm sorry. Just amazing. Mark Harbert, my good friend Mark Harbert. Wow. Just amazing people. Vince Reed, come on. What in the world? Lisa Torres. Todd and Leah Ray Getz, I'm sorry. Yeah. You need to be there. Jesse Jameson, Facebook expert, even more leaders, even more people will be on stage at this event. So make it your way. You got a month to get whatever you need to get in order to get to this event. You really do. You really do. So if you're an entrepreneur, make it happen. You know, don't give yourself excuses. If you really want to be at this event and you know how it may be able to help your business, help you grow your business, definitely be here. Yeah, just definitely be here. So guys, there's a link at the bottom. As always, I try to keep these videos pretty short, but I wanted to make sure that you were able to take a part of this event if that's what you would like to do. There is a link at the bottom. You can find out more about it. Guys, have a great day. Have a great start of the week. God bless you, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace. Get your tickets. Live the dream. Link at the bottom.